Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Porsche Cayenne first generation guys, years 2002 to 2010. And if guys, your doors on the right side do not lock or unlock guys, there is a fuse that controls that. A fuse for the central locking system, but only for the right side. We have one for the left, one for the right, and one that controls everything. So stay with us and we'll show you which one it is. Now we guys have more than 200 videos on this car, so please guys subscribe to the channel. Our goal is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. So all the electrical videos will be on this, on this channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. The mechanical videos guys could be found on our main channel, so check them out. World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys, quite a bit of helpful information. Now if the central locking doesn't work for the front right and rear right door, stay with us and we'll show you what needs to be done. Now we'll need to go guys to the we'll need to go to the passenger side of the car, right here, and right here you have one cover. Under that cover you have fuses, so we need to pull that thing out with a plastic panel removal tool. Just pry it out, like that. We have 5 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips. Fuse numbers are located on the back, and we need to check fuse number 32. This one will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuse from left to right. 6 fuse from left to right. So here now, here we have 1 missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This 10 fuse guys, this is the one for the right side central locking. So we'll replace it with a new one. Check out in the description of the video below guys where we get our fuses for amazing price. So now, let's lock the doors and see if that fixes the problem. We need to install our cover on. Perfect. Unlock. Let's see the rear. That takes care of the problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.